This is a vintage Homelite XL automatic oil chainsaw. I can almost smell the two-stroke now. This saw has a 14-inch bar. The chain will need some sharpening before use. The oiler is 100% fully functional. A great saw for the camp, the backyard, or your personal Homelite collection. Oh man, I wish you could smell that two-stroke. It sounds good, and boy does it smell good too. Be sure to click on the link below for pictures and details and how to buy this saw right now at a very affordable price. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.